Suchi, urgent call. I'm leaving to Chennai now. Can you please send my bag later? Okay, bye.
Neelambari madam, do you want to get in? Have some work in Chennai, by the way.
This is too much.
Look, it is actually not for you. Have some work in Chennai. I need to deliver a parcel. It's urgent. There's no one in the car. You can come inside.
Okay. Cab fare it is showing 8K. If you're okay, I'll proceed.
Neelambari madam, not just a cab fare. You can definitely pay for everything. Tea, coffee, toll fare, everything. I won't feel bad about it. Come, get inside. What happened? Any problem? I will definitely watch for your safety.
You can keep my bag inside. Driver?
Driver? She called me a servant at her place. Now a driver. Madam, do you want me to switch on the AC? Oh my goodness, I really don't know what will be my plight on the way to Chennai.
Hello? Shruti, I'm coming by cab. I have already sent the file. Could you please mention to Roshan?
Okay.
And Shruti, please don't tell Roshan that I'm coming by cab. Otherwise, he'll feel bad.
Yeah, okay.
Okay? Okay, Shruti. I'll call you later.
Okay, bye.
I had a belief that girls will never lie, but you're super smart.
Driver, could you please increase the volume? By the way, where is your driver uniform?
You need a uniform, right? Auto.
Go straight and take right.
Chill, bro. Let's leave.
By the way, Neelambari madam, does Rohan know that we are going on a date?
Roshan, bro. I don't know.
Roshan bro, look at you hiding the name. I need to file a cheating case on you.
Is there a necessary of telling everything? I'm not a kid. Even I don't understand. And there is a comma between Roshan and bro.
Yes, before this, were you in a relationship? Like first love?
I wasn't. But in childhood. Like 9th standard.
Oh my god, it's super bro. You were in a relationship? It's quite astonishing.
Huh? Which means, am I not pretty? Why did you ask all of a sudden?
I had no belief at all.
Then how? You didn't have belief, which means, am I not pretty? Why did you tell me this?
Nothing like that. I had zero expectations of your relationship.
That's what I'm asking, why?
Because when I asked you out, you told me to do some work at your place, right? To be frank, I really don't believe that you were in a relationship.
I got 7 proposals when I was in 9th standard. 4 members from the same class, 2 members from junior batch, and from 10th, 1 guy.
Oh, wow, superb. Okay, agreed. Out of these guys, you were in a relationship with one guy, right? How was it? What do you say about it?
Why do you want that?
Just to know, I needed some information. Did you break up just because of Cadbury Dairy Milk?
After knowing the reason, I can guess your answer.
How do you know what I say? Okay, fine, go on.
At that time, he was of same age. If you select a guy who is younger than you, he would have listened to you. Or if he is elder than you, he would understand you. Though it is same age, keeping a reason when he asked a kiss in library, you will support him saying that it is just because of hormonal imbalance. Later you will get to know these all will not work with me. Very late you will understand what I said was right. And you will praise me for no reason. At last, you will say everything happens for a reason. Keeping this small excuse, you wanna become good in my eyes. Later, by listening everything you said, I should comment, oh, you're so sweet. I should sleep like a baby after listening all this, isn't it?
How should I react to this?
Oh, so sweet. Repeat.
Even though I had few questions, she kept on blabbering a lot about it. That too, the questions were irrelevant. Unnecessary, I have to go to Chennai. What will I do if Suchi knows about it? Neela? Neela? It's highway, right? There'll be a lot of lorry drivers. You should have told me, right? This is completely
For
bad.
temple only, right? I forgot to do puja while leaving home.
Huh?
I learned this from my mom.
By the way, priest, what's your take on superstition? Isn't it a waste of time?
It's just a hairline difference between belief and superstition, my dear.
Kumkum and turmeric. By the way, priest, which one do we use during marriage? Is it kumkum or turmeric?
We can't find by reciting mantras.
Sir, there's no English subtitles. I need to understand it properly.
It's kind of igniting fire in water.
Kinda. Wow. Neela.
Did they ask you? Did they ask you? You're speaking about marriage profession with him?
Then what? You don't know the difference between kumkum and turmeric.
Govinda, Govinda, Hari Govinda.
There's a lot of traffic over here. Let's go to different place.
Come on, tell me now. What didn't you understand?
A lot of things. Since you're a film director, you'll have a lot of superstition, right? Even so, you'll be having a lot of clarity.
Hey, stop it, yeah. You keep on telling that I'm a film director?
Then what? While breaking a coconut or a pumpkin, you guys use SS or CC in titles. Is this a carbon copy? Then you guys look into Muhurt. It has zero value in marriage. What place does it hold for films? Okay, after following some superstition, have you become successful? Not even that. We have zero amount of use from films. Huh? Oh, goddess Neelambari, please don't start your history classes. I request you, please don't do it.
Movies. Hey bro, camera angle is okay, right? I think lights are okay. Is focus is perfect? My makeup? Okay. What did you ask me? What's the use of doing movie? Is my voice okay? Movies. Since a person born, after joining to school, till sharing his lunchbox, how he stays calm even after getting a rocket tied from a girl, after joining college, how to make a girl fall in love, how to impress her, how to propose her, what kind of gift to present her, then to plan how to climb her house compound, then how to quarrel, and how to console her by saying, "Sweetie, darling," after getting her calmed down, the way to convince her. Later, if the love has failed, he'll understand. Love is great but not her. Because of this, how to cry and how to face that moment clearly teaches our movies. To make you understand there is a life even after failure, movie is the only thing which will give you courage by showing a perfect girl in Tinder. What happens in marriage, only movie can teach you what happens after going inside. In fact, that's a different category. How is the bond should be between uncle and aunties, and it will explain the relationship between brother and sister also. And later it will explain how to quarrel, how to get compromise. It will show along with background score. That's called movie. You'll go to movie every Sunday. If you wanna take your girl outside the movie, then to hang out with friends, movies. Not only that, even in YouTube or Instagram, by giving review and earn because of her movie. Even to start shopping mall or a jewelry shop, of course those people need us. Even in our state, the politicians, CM or MP has come from our cinema. And what else? Enough. This is much enough for you. This will be my last dialogue. I spoke too much, is it? Are you okay?
After giving me lectures about unwanted topics, now she's sleeping like a little baby. If I ask her more, she'll definitely lecture. I feel sorry for the guy who really marries her. He'll definitely become deaf very quickly.
Should ban the one who horns so much.
Yeah, we need to take a fine as well.
Are we still near the temple?
No, there was
What
an
happened?
accident and vehicles were crowded over there.
Accident? Where?
No, it's cleared right now. Hey, can't you ride a vehicle properly? Get up now.
I'm very sorry, bro. I was in a hurry.
What do you mean by urgent? Who gave you the license? What's your age?
Around 20,
get
bro.
up.
I'm really sorry.
Who wants you sorry, man?
Ram, napkin. Come, sit there.
There's a dent in the vehicle. I need to pay it for it as well.
Bro, really sorry. I need to speed
What
up for
urgency,
train.
bro?
Priya, come soon. Priya, it'll be late for train. Come soon.
Everything happened because of me only. We were getting late for the train. That is why we were rushing. Sorry.
Priya, come soon.
Just hold this. Take it. Though it's highway, even truck will go, right?
Enough of your drama. Come and sit in the vehicle.
Bro, we met with an accident. We are coming in a friend's car. We'll be there soon. Yes, sure. Will you stop crying? It's a small wound. Why are you acting like this?
Hey, brother, what's your name?
Bro, my name is Surya.
Why are you scolding that girl?
What can I do, bro? We planned it so beautifully. In the last moment, she started acting very weirdly that my family will be worried, my sister will be depressed, and all shit. I got sick of convincing her.
What's your plan?
Let me tell you, we used to love each other. Her mother actually figured what is happening between us. Her family will not accept for this. That is why we are running away.
You're running away?
Yes, sister.
She's scared. You could have waited, right? Look, she's crying so much.
Stop crying. Didn't I tell you not to cry? Please stop.
Why are you scolding her? Is it a true love?
This is not true love, Neela. Everything is temporary. After a few days, it will be boring. From toothpaste to food, everything needs money, Neela. When the money is vanished, they'll go back to their places.
Nothing like that, bro. Ours is true love.
How will you take care of her?
That is all well planned. I have 5,000 in hand. Friends help me a lot. I'll treat them for 2,000. In the remaining 3,000, we can spend peacefully for a month.
Spending a month with just 3K?
Perfect planning, Suri.
Thanks, bro.
Then what about it?
That is also well planned, bro. She has a gold chain. We'll sell it and start a new business. Bro, take a left over there.
What kind of business?
I know to drive an auto. I'll buy one.
You won't even get 10,000 after selling that chain.
Yes, bro. I have requested my friend's dad to help me. He has accepted for it. I'll buy a new auto from that.
Priya? By the way, what's your qualification?
I'm studying in 12th. I have exams next month.
You'll do tailoring sitting at your place, isn't it?
Good idea, bro.
Tailoring.
Suri, why do you like this girl?
Love, bro. What else? Bro. Stop here. This is the station. Bro, wait for 5 minutes. I'll be back.
It's okay, go now.
Hey, you're crying for a small scratch. If you run away and get married, it will hurt you a lot more than this. He doesn't look like a responsible guy. Marrying a guy whom you loved is not a mistake. In fact, if he loved you really, as soon you fall down, he immediately come and check what happened.
No. Nothing like that. He loves me so much. He wrote letter from his blood and all.
Wrote a letter using blood? Old fucking fashion.
You said he has written the letter with his blood. Then why didn't he care you when you get blood? You didn't realize still.
He is in some tension, right? That is why.
Priya, salt never changes its characteristics. You won't understand now.
She's showing a film. That's what you people do, right? Things like running away from home, getting married, isn't it? Why don't you give her permission to join your lecture class? That is the reason why I told you, Neela. Love is one night shit. Why don't you ask old people? They'll tell you very clearly. Experience really matters.
Ram, you're not helping.
Huh? What help?
You should explain her in an easy way. She is still 18 years now. She talks about blood, love letter. Just imagine how innocent she is.
You're a film writer, no? Why don't you tell them a story?
Okay. You do one thing.
Oh my goodness. Why don't you guys get a different idea apart from this one? I'm not lying, Rekha. Promise when I tell you. I will definitely not watch a film. Even if I go there, I will sleep in the theater.
Act appropriately. Ram, come here.
Now what? Are you breaking a coconut?
Wear coolers.
Huh? Cinematic. I'm a hero. I will definitely not watch a film.
Bro, these are my friends.
What are you guys doing over here? Have you seen me ever?
No.
What's your problem?
No, sir. Haven't seen you anywhere.
He seems like a police.
Hey, do you know the girl who's with her? She's DGP's daughter.
Oh my
Just
God.
one phone call. You guys will end up in jail.
What did I do, bro? I'm in love with her.
Hey, do you know about third degree? Do you want the treatment to you? If such treatment happens to you, you will suffer through life. Something is waiting for you people. Sir, I'm DGP's relative Ramchandra speaking. 4 guys have kidnapped a girl in Andhra. Do you know
Sir,
about it?
It's not us, sir.
Sir, that is not
Sir,
us,
can you
sir.
please tell their names?
Abdul, son of Kaja.
Abdul, son of Kaja.
Abdul, son of Kaja. Suresh, son of Malesh. Mukesh alias Pandu, son of Subramanya. You are Pandu,
Yes,
right?
sir. Bro, listen to what I say, bro. I don't know anything, bro. Surya said we get money if we do this. He said we'll just do it as a business.
I'm not aware of anything, bro. Surya is responsible for this. He threatened a lot regarding this, so I thought I'll
That's
join
it,
him.
bro. That's
He's
it.
responsible for
Yeah.
everything.
Still, how many girls do you want to deceive? Tell
Run,
it to-
boys! Run,
Hey,
run!
run, dude.
Run,
Run
run
from here.
Run, bro!
Run. We should bandage that.
No, I don't want bandage. Let this be like that.
You didn't do it wantedly, right? Now you understood. Put bandage.
Neela, wait for me over
Okay.
here. You come with me. Hello, sir. I'm not kidnapping her. I'm protecting. Excuse me, sir. Priya was lost and she was in the highway. She met with an accident. It could have been a major accident. Now it's actually your responsibility to look after her.
You should have told me about him, right, Priya? I feel bad, not because she ran away, but she didn't believe me.
Priya, every girl in their life desires to get married to a good guy. But she should know about her self-value and should know about all the obstacles in her life as well. Then that person will be successful in their life. Look over there, just like Neela. No matter what, a girl should never lose her respect. After facing all the obstacles, she will definitely be a superhero. Happy birthday, superhero.
Thank you so much, Ram. Thank you.
Don't worry about it. I'll somehow reach the place on time. We've come through shortcut, right? We'll be there on time. And is the time confirmed?
These producers are so irregular. Suddenly they confirm the meeting today or they will postpone it to some other day. Everything goes according to them.
Okay, cool. We'll be there on time. I have belief on my driving.
But after saving that small girl, I'm feeling even if we are too late, it's fine. Sister, what was that? Happy birthday, superhero? And will you even call me sister?
Why don't you go and talk to that person, Rohan?
Roshan.
Oh my goodness, Nilambari made him. I did not do it deliberately. Why don't you excuse me? You're really smart.
Oh gosh, driver, please switch off the AC.
I think it's proper only.
Not that. If you come to AC,
Now don't talk about the History Channel, okay?
I didn't tell with History Channel. I explained you easily, right?
It won't be convincing. It will definitely bring me a headache, and I really don't like it.
Then, how can I sit quiet when you comment bad on cinema, Mr. Ramchandran? I just double checked it.
When we were at the station, you did plot a good plan. Will your film be the same way?
It will be almost same, but slightly will be their inspiration. We can select our favorite topic and present it as a cinema. That's it.
Oh, what do you mean by cinematic?
Everything should get connect. At least it should be interesting, right?
I really don't know about it. Can you give me an example?
For example...
Like, for instance, you've written a story, right? You can narrate the same thing to me. I'll give a genuine review
I
to
can
it.
tell you a story, but I'm not gonna tell if you give a review.
Don't worry, I won't give bad reviews for it.
No, not like that. If a normal people see it with a background score, it will be very good.
It's okay, you can tell it to me. I'll give a good review to it.
I said you not to give review, right?
Whatever be the situation, you begin from History Channel itself. The story is better when compared to it.
Hello.
It's okay, tell it to me.
Imagine it's a romantic comedy. Hero is of 25 years. He is running a nursery. A girl will come to purchase a flower. They fell in love with looking at each other. One day she'll ask Ramesh, "Why did you like me so much?" Then Ramesh replied, "When we purchase a new dress, or if we been to a new place, or if we get any opportunity, that time only one person will come to our mind. We feel like sharing everything." He holded her hand and said, "It's you in my life." And he kissed her hand. Ram! Have you gone mad? Who will sleep while driving a car?
I'm not mad, you're really insane. You really don't know how to narrate a story. After listening to it, I fell asleep. You call yourself a film
You are
writer.
the one who asked, right? Did I force you to listen my story? You only said to explain the story, right?
How do I know that I will fall asleep after listening to your story?
Tell you didn't understand the story. Don't point out the negative in the story.
Just because of such stories, normal films are getting appreciations actually.
I'm not liking the comments. You didn't watch my movie.
After knowing about it, trust me, I will definitely not watch a film. Even if I watch a film, I'll definitely give a bad comment that Neela Ambari has directed a bad film. By the way, what did you say? Thanks for smiling. It's not thanks for smiling, it's thanks for sleeping. It will be a perfect title. Everyone will sleep peacefully.
Hey, you already spoke so much. Hello,
Neela, where are you?
Roshan. I'm not able to reach on time.
Why? What happened?
I met with an accident on the way. Fortunately, nothing had happened to me, but car got damaged.
Neela, what are you saying? You said you'll come by bus, right?
Yeah. You asked me to leave immediately, right? At that time, I didn't get any bus or flight.
Whose car? Cab, is it?
No. It's Suchi's car.
Oh, is Suchi okay?
No. Suchi's brother had come with me.
Ram.
Yeah, of
Oh,
course.
you're coming with Ram, is it?
Yeah. Don't worry. I'm safe.
Hey, nobody else was there? Is he alone?
Roshan, it's not like that. Please try to understand.
Oh, you come along with Ram and I should understand.
Roshan, you asked me to leave immediately. I didn't have any other option.
You tagged along with Ram. Wow. I gave you a sudden plan and you started immediately. Ram also joined for the plan because you were in a hurry. This is what you're trying to explain, right?
Roshan, I understood what you are going to tell. Remember that one thing. Except you and me, nobody knows that I have a crush on Ram. Not even Suchi.
Cut this bullshit, Neela.
It is very clear.
You are in a relationship, right? It's very easy for me. Okay. Neela, the car is not starting. I just called my friend. Till then we can go to that hotel.
Perfect planning, is it? Didn't get any doubt. I'm keeping calm just because Suchi said me something.
Yeah, I'm really not lying. I fell asleep. Why would I lie to you?
Shut up, Ram. You just don't speak anything. Our relationship was healthy. Many won't get good professional life as they wish, and many won't get good personal life as they wish. But I got both in a good side. Our relationship won't break even after many people comes to destroy like you. Every girl won't be same as you just think. You will never understand about love. From today onwards, I won't be in your life. Just leave me. Leave.
The journey which began from hope, now it's hopeless, clueless, and it's stranded on a highway. Let's see what happens in the future. It feels like a heavy weight placed on my chest right now.